Hi champs, welcome to Math Champ. So today's question is the cost of a packet of sugar and the cost of a tin of milk is X and Y respectively. If 3 packets of sugar and 4 tins of milk cost 635 cedis and 4 packets of sugar and 3 tins of milk cost 695 cedis, find X and Y. Okay, so this question tells us that X represents the cost of a packet of sugar and Y represents the cost of a tin of milk. So it goes on further to tell us that 3 packets of sugar and 4 tins of milk cost 635 cedis. So we can represent that as 3x plus 4y, because we know that it's the total sugar and the total cost of the sugar and then the milk that gives us 635 cedis. So we can represent that as 3x plus 4y is equal to 635. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I would like us to name that as equation number 1. Okay, so the question goes on further to say 4 packets of sugar and 3 tins of milk cost 695 cedis. So we know that a sugar is represented as X, but here it's telling us that 4 packets. So we can say 4x plus 3y is equal to 695. So let's go ahead and also represent that or write that down. Okay, so we call that equation 2 as well. Okay, so this is basically a simultaneous equation problem. So we can try and multiply both sides by a number that would let us get a common coefficient for both of them. So we can see that we can multiply equation 1 by 4. This is what I prefer to do. You can use another method. And equation 2 by 3. Why do we do this? When we multiply equation 1 by 4, we get x to have a coefficient of 12, and then when we multiply equation 2 by 3, we also get x to have a coefficient of 12. And when they have the same sign or symbol, which here we have it to be addition, you subtract so that you would eliminate it. This is the elimination method for me. Okay, so we've multiplied equation 1 and equation 2 by 4 and 3 respectively, and then here after that we are going to subtract equation 4 from 3. This is the elimination method. So make sure that when you're multiplying the whole equation, you multiply each term by the number. So 4 by 3, 4 by 4, 4 by 635. I hope you get it. So let's come to the subtraction and also deal with that one. Okay, so after subtracting, we get 7y is equal to 455, and you divide both sides by the coefficient of the variable, which is y over here. So we get y to be 65. After doing this, we can substitute y, which is 65, into any equation at all, being equation 1 or equation 2, and solve for x. Okay. I substituted 65 into equation number 1, and I had 3x plus 4 times 65 is equal to 635, and that would give us 3x is equal to
sorry about that. It's equal to 375. So you divide both sides by 3, and that'll give you 125. So from here we know that our x is equal to 125. Now y is equal to 65. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you don't understand anything, you have a question, you can type that in the comment section.